Booyaka, booyaka, everybody, booyaka! White man, booyaka, booyaka! What the fuck is a booyaka? I don't know, just say it. People think Jamaican people are crazy, man. You believe that shit? Especially after my man shot that shit up on the train. Like we all related and shit. But I said, fuck it, if somebody think you're crazy, use that shit to your advantage. The other day, some brothers tried to rob me, man. Stepped to me, they had a gun and said, yo, my man, what's up? Give me your watch, your wallet, and your sneakers. Give me that shit right now. So I was like, maybe they don't know I'm Jamaican. If I let them know, maybe I get out this shit. I was like, you want a bomb clock rob me? You want to take my rascal bomb clock watch and wallet? Then come take it if you're bomb clock bad. Come rascal, take it if you think so you're fucking bad. They was like, damn, man. We didn't know you was Jamaican and shit. Go ahead. I was like, damn, this shit works. I could use this shit anywhere I go. So I'm driving down south in my piece of shit car. Car break down in the woods in the middle of a Ku Klux Klan rally. Some of you ain't laughing because you was there. So the wizard stepped to me and said, excuse my son, but you kinda in the wrong place at the wrong time. See, me and the fellas here planning on having a necktie party, and we want you to wear the tie. I was like, maybe he don't know I'm Jamaican. Maybe I can get out of this shit. I said, you want bomb clock hang me? You want to put the rope there on Femi neck? Come touch me if you're fucking bad. Come bomb clock touch me. Me not scared out, no. Come touch me. Me not scared, come touch me. He was like, damn, well, son, you didn't have to act up like that. We didn't know you was one of them there Jamaicans. Fellas fix his car and let him go. I was like, damn, this shit works. I could get away with shit. So I'm back in New York City. I'm on the train. It's rush hour. There ain't no seats left on the train. But I figure I should get a seat because I'm Jamaican. I said, this one dude sitting in the seat. I said, yo, my man, what's up? Give me that seat. Get out that fucking seat right now before I punch you in your head. Get out that fucking seat. My man, get out the seat. You on this bomb clock seat? You on this raw seat? Come take it. I was like, my man, I didn't know you was Jamaican, man. And let me hear some noise if y'all like reggae music in the house. I love reggae music. I grew up on reggae music. I just got one problem with reggae music. Why do reggae artists remake every fucking song you hear on the radio? I heard New York by Frank Sinatra in reggae. Anybody here ever heard Kumbaya in reggae? Last Christmas I heard Jingle Bells in reggae. Jingle fucking bells. And the DJ always act like he made the shit up himself. DJ come out. This one is an original. This song dedicated to the man called Santa. Come down, selector. Come and say that shit through this, no. Panawana, mana open, booyaka, booyaka. Come and say jingle-a, jingle-a, jingle. Lighter, 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 lighter. My name is Ian Edwards. Peace, y'all.